What's up folks, welcome back to my YouTube channel Code to Create. In this video you're going to see the basics of SQL. That means like creating a database and also like checking few conditions and everything. So let me create a new query as usual. First of all, let's see how to get the distinct values. I'm going to say select star from human resources department. Let me get that. Human resources department. I'm gonna select name from this human resources department. I'll show you guys what to do. Name, from human resources department. After getting the whole table, I'm gonna say select distinct. Here we're going to use the word distinct. That means we're going to get the distinct values. I'm going to say from group name. We have a column group name over here. So let me show you guys the column first. I'm going to say select group name from gonna be human resources department. First let's run this. I'm gonna execute it. Yes, we have the columns. We have selected everything from human resources department, and now I'm gonna run it. Oops, let me run this much and show you guys first. Yes, we have all the groups name over here: research, development. Now what does distinct mean? Distinct values means we're gonna get each and every value which is different from each other. Different values here, like we get research and development one, and then we have sales and marketing, and then we have inventory and then we have inventory management, and then you have manufacturing. We're gonna get all these values. So I'm gonna say select distinct group name from. Let's get it up from human resources department. Yes, and now let me execute this by highlighting the line. You can see, as I told you guys, we got the executive, general and administration, inventory management, manufacturing, quality assurance, and research and development, sales and marketing. These are all the unique values over here. Yes guys, now we got to know how to get the distinct values. Now let's see how to get a value from a column. Let's say that let's first get the whole column, and let's see which word we can get. Yes, let's say from name, let's get engineering. So we have to say select as usual. I'm gonna say select name from human resources department. Yes, and after this I'm gonna use the word like. Before that we have to use the word where group, when name like, it's gonna be engineering. Yes, and now let me highlight both of them and run it. You can see you got the word engineering where you have only one. And let me give you more example, like from the group name we want to get the word manufacturing. Let's say manufacturing, and now let me highlight. Okay, you don't have the word manufacturing in the group name. You do have it. Yes guys, you can see we got the value over here that says engineering. Now let's see how to. Okay, let's change the table name now. I'm gonna say select. I'm gonna select this employees. I'm gonna get all the tables, rows and everything from. Okay, I'm gonna get all the columns and rows from employees table. So I'm gonna say select star from. Let's change it to human resources employee. And let me run it and show you guys. Yes. Now think that you guys want all like Here you can see we have organization level. Think that whichever employee is having the organization level 2, we only want that values. Let's see how to get that. I'm gonna say select star from human resources dot employee table, where we use the word where now. Okay, we use the word where this organization level is going to be organization level is going to be 2, so we're going to say is equal to 2. And now let me highlight and execute this. Oh yeah, you can see here everywhere we have the organization level 2. Now think that, now suppose you guys wanted both from 2 and 3, where the organization level is both 2 and 3. Now you guys, now like let's take as an example, like you want to get the organization level where either the person is the employee is having. Now let's take another example. Think that, so now we know how do we get the separate value. Yes guys, now you think, yes guys, you can see here in the organization level all are 2. We got the employees where the organization level is 2. Now think that you want the employee name where their organization level is either 2 or 3. So the same syntax, where organization level, I'm gonna say in, we use the word in over here, in, put a parentheses 2, 3, close it up. And now if I run this, we need to get the organization level 2 and 3. You can see organization level 2, 3, 2, 3, all we have only the values where we have 2 and 3, where the organization level is 2 and 3, 2 or 3. Now let's say that you want all, let me just first get that, human resources employee, yes. Now we have here the job title. Let's think that you want to get the job title where the title contains the word control, but that's not the whole word control. Let's see how do we get that. I'm going to say select star, oh sorry, okay, I have done a mistake. Select star from, yes, from human resources dot employee, where that job title, we're going to use the word like over here, job title like, and put a quote, and don't forget the percentage sign over here. Let's add the percentage sign, and then we have the word control, end it with a percentage sign and close this quote up. I'm going to close this. And now if I run and show you guys, there will be job title control, production control manager, document control manager, control specialist. You can see that word does not only have control over here. The word is not control. The word is having control. Like the sentence is having control. You can take it like that. And now let's get back and let me first get this and think that you want all the employees where they're born after Jan 1st. Let's see how do we get that. The same word select star, okay, star, yes, here it is. Select star from human resources dot employee, where again the word where birth date, we're gonna say birth, where birth date, we're gonna use the symbol that's this greater symbol over here, where the greater, where birth date greater symbol, we're gonna see where greater symbol, and here we want where the employees are born after Jan 1st. So it's gonna be 1/1/1980. Yeah, who are born after Jan 1st 1980. I'm gonna run this. Integer. Oh yeah, sorry. We have to put the strings over here too. And now let me execute this. Their birth date, you can see none of them are having below Jan 1st 1980. Now let's say you want people who are born between Jan 1st 1970 and between Jan 1st 1980. What we are gonna do, delete this up, use the word between, birth date between, and we use the word and put the date. It's gonna be 1/1/1980, and here it's gonna be 1970. Close this up. Let me execute this up, and yes, you have all of them between Jan 1st 1970 and Jan 1st 1980. And now let's see how to create a new database itself. Let me come down. Sorry. Yes. Let me come down, and I'm gonna say like, let's do one thing. Let's change it to production.product over here. For a small change, let's change it to production.product. I'm gonna say select name. Okay, sorry. I'm gonna say select star. I'm gonna change, for a small change, I'm gonna change the database to production.product. So first let's get the table, complete table. I'm gonna say selection, I'm gonna say select star from I'm gonna say select star from production.product. First let me show you guys the table. Production.product, yes. And after this, I'm gonna select the name. Let's save. First, let me show you guys the database and production.product. And let's first see the whole. And here we have the table product name and list price. Here we have the table name and list price. So I'm gonna say select name, comma list price, price from price from production.product, again production.product, yes. And then I'm gonna create a value. I'm gonna say there's a word called adjusted price. There's a word called adjusted, where using one table we're gonna create another value, or you can create another database too. So let's see how do we do that. I'm gonna say select, we're gonna copy up this much, yes, price. I'm gonna say comma list price plus 10. I'm gonna create a new column that's gonna be plus 10. The value is gonna be plus 10, the list price plus 10. And I'm gonna save this as adjusted price, adjusted list price 2 into which type, and here into, I'm going to use the word into, and I'm going to create a new database into production.product 4, because I've created them from, I'm going to get all these from this production.product. Yes, this all. Let's first execute this. It's affected, and now let me show you guys the database that's going to be production.product, the table production.product. So let's say select star from production.product 4. Yes, and now let me copy this and execute this. You have the adjusted list price over here, and we have done plus 10 from the list price. So yes guys, now we know the basics of SQL. Thank you friends. Please do like, share, subscribe and comment below. Bye bye.